See are there? People are she break the internet right now. You're looking at officer, Jamaican officer, Shelian Cherine Allen. I've heard about letting the cat out the bag, but this one is letting the crack out the vag. A Jamaican police officer has been indicted by the Department of Justice in Fort Lauderdale for smuggling cocaine into the country, ladies and gentlemen. That is the headline at this point right now. Greetings and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari over here of Inputs TV. And if this is your first time, I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button. And we're going to have a great relationship. Ladies and gentlemen, you hear me correctly? The nastiness continue. It reach foreign. You're looking at Officer Shelian Cherine Allen. Yes, a veteran officer of the Jamaican Constable Force, and she has been charged with smuggling cocaine from Jamaica to South Florida inside of our body. Which part in our body? I'm gonna let you know. Miami, Florida. A South Florida grand jury has indicted veteran police officer of Jamaica for importing cocaine into the United States with the intent to distribute it. The indictment and a previous filed criminal complaint affidavit alleged that the following: on February 4th, 42 year old Shelian Cherine Allen, a Jamaican citizen, arrived at Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport on a flight from Montego Bay, Jamaica. An inspector by the Customs and Border Patrol, which they call the CBP, revealed that Allen had a package of cocaine inside of her vagina and a package of cocaine inside of her bra cup. Allen also had 90 pills of packaging cocaine inside of her stomach, which she had swallowed. The Custom and Border Patrol officer took Allen into a local hospital where she expelled the 90 pills. In total, Allen had approximately 1,350 grams of cocaine on or inside of her body when she entered the United States. About 234 in her vagina, about 174 in her bra, and about 942 grams inside of her stomach. At the time of her arrest, Allen was a law enforcement officer employed by the Jamaican Constable Force for at least 18 years. The indictment charged Allen with 2 counts importing of 500 grams of cocaine or more and possession with the intent to distribute 500 grams or more of cocaine. If convicted, she faced up to 40 years on each count. Juan Antonio Gonzalez, the United States Attorney for the Southern District of Florida, Anthony Shelby, Homeland Security Investigation Miami Field Officer, and Veron T. Forte, Director of Field Operation, United States Customs and Border Patrol, Miami Field Officer, made the announcement. The Homeland Security investigated in Miami and the Customs Border Patrol Miami investigation. In this case, Assistant Attorney William T. Shockley is prosecuting this case, ladies and gentlemen, and shackling a ramp. An indictment merely contains the mere allegations, and a defendant is presumed innocent, ladies and gentlemen, until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt in court. Related court documents and information may be found on the website of the director or the direct court, Southern District of Florida, at www.flsduscourt.gov. People, you understand what I am telling you? Another Jamaican officer, 18 years in, about to retire. It's a sin. She dash away her hard 18 years of work. Instead of having freeness in Jamaica and having the power over the people them to set the thing straight, you see what she had do? Crime! The criminal boss and your wholeness must be embarrassed. And the criminal boss, Mr. Anthony Cheng, and all of the head of the police in Jamaica, because you know, we police in a Jamaica is a criminal syndicate. You are gone to on nobody see the Rasta Road and try to go on like you no want to rough me up. I'm telling the truth on deep roads. Reporting that officer Shelian Cherine Allen, a 18-year veteran of the Jamaican Constable Force, go a foreign, push up some whole heap of coke in her vaginal passage and have whole heap in her bra. You are gone tea, and then she swallow some in her belly. But she thinks she has some 1970 and 1980 security. You know a idiot or what? You know a fool or what? You know having a good job and want give it up for move coke and crack. You think foreigner rampant, you know? The border tight. No matter how you see the southern border laws, them just do that for fold the ghost. You cannot leave sweet Jamaica and a smuggle coke. I overstand. Uno don't like the grades. Uno don't like the herbs. So Uno love the white lady. And guess what happened when you mess with the light white lady? The white man put the hand of law on you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an embarrassing situation to see the governing body of my island. I do with thugs and gangsters, I do. So what separate the law officers, the upstanding citizens, from the thugs and the criminal syndicate? None. My Jamaican people, we have become a smoothie of criminals. We're blending everybody now. Rasta, everybody. The women are being documented as turning up the crime. In the scamming and in the smuggling, it is being documented. Say them a watchy gal them, cause a them a holy tooly fiddy man them we are running gangster thing. And a them a bail them, a them a beat them, a them all even a lay down with them. It is an embarrassing situation to know that a law-abiding officer, or she should abide the law. Actually, somebody that in charge of making sure citizens are being protected and observing the law is an international criminal. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not pulling any punch on this. We need to vet these officers more, Chris. I see the crime and the criminality that government is committing against my people here in Jamaica, and it must stop. This is an embarrassment and a dark shade on the population of my island, and me hope say the European them In America, we grab her, clamp down and deal with her proper. You see, my brother, him smuggling peanut, him not deal with no drugs. You are gone. It is not something that I like or I love, ladies and gentlemen. This is an embarrassment and a hold down. Now when me a roll through the airport, people have to go and watch me, cause them don't know man a ja make my land where I am from. You are gone tea. Good riddance. You want go a foreign? Go and go live down in a foreign cell when you could and there Jamaica help out the people them cause the crime as well. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen, of Deep Roads TV. I'm asking you hit that red subscribe button. Me glad I know me. Me glad I know me. Wagon T. Wagon T. Officer Shelian Cherine Allen. So like a dear first name she have. Wagon T. Get catch at the Fort Lauderdale Airport with whole heap of coke in her brassiere, in her vaginal passage, and in her belly. And she have face some serious charge. Yagante intend to distribute over 500 gram illegal possession and bringing in the coke in her foreign, and she can face 40 years for each charge. Oh my Lord. You know, say I met stick on them that run in the court though, you know. From them take over the airport, the plane crash at Jamaica with the coke. Jah know. Rastafari.